Okay, this is the example 1 of the trapezoidal rule. 1, 0, square root 1 minus x cubed. Dx using the trapezoidal rule with 4 strips. So n would be equal to 4. H would be 1 minus 0, which is 1, the final value, upper limit, then minus to the lower limit, which is 0, over 4, which is n equal 4. So 1 minus 0 over 4 will give you 1 over 4, which is equal to 0.25 as well. And then we do the table. This is the graph. y0, y1, y2, y3. You can see that we divide the area into 4 parts because n equals 4 strips. Then x will be equal to 0 plus another 0.25, just like the previous section example. Then plus another 0.25, another 0.25 until it's 1, which is the final value. Then this value 1 square root 1 minus x cubed is equal to y. So we substitute the value of x into this, which will give you 1, and then we substitute again 0.25 into this, that will give you 2, and then 0.5 substitute to that will give you 0.9354, and this thing would do the same thing as well until it gets 0. Look, by trapezoidal rule, 1 minus x cubed h over 2. This is the formula for trapezoidal rule. So y0 plus y4 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3. H value is 0.25 over 2. And then we substitute the number 2, which 0.9922 is equal to y1, and this is y2, this is y3, and that would give you 0.797. Okay, so now if we compare the trapezoidal rule to Simpson's rule, we can see the trapezoidal rule, they do it one by one. Each part is one trapezium, another part is one trapezium, another part is one trapezium, and then they add up all together to give the final answer. But for Simpson's rule, they do it straight away. This is the formula. They just do that y0 plus yn final value, then this initial value, then they just times 4 of all the odd number, which is y1, y3, y5, and then plus, and they just times 2 all the even number, and they add up together. They didn't do it one by one, just like what they did in trapezoidal rule. They do it one by one, each area of thing. So that's the difference between trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule.